Right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to add a card, a debit card or a credit card or gift card to your PayPal app. Super easy process here. What we need to do is first obviously open up the app and then go down to the account section here. At the very top, you're going to see the option to add banks and cards. Select that. And at the bottom, you can see that there is debit and credit cards. So I'm going to add that one. You can either scan your card or enter your card info. So I will choose scan. Enter the info. Um, so here you're going to enter the card information. So 40 expiration date. And then hit link card. Yeah, so this is probably not working because actually I don't know why. Oh, because it's a gift card and it's not active yet. But if this was a card that was active, it would successfully link, which would then show as an account down here in the linked banks and cards section. So this card would show there if it was active. Since it's not active, can't really do anything with it. But that is how you're going to add a card. Just click it one more time. Debit and credit cards. And then to scan your card. That's super interesting. I didn't know it could do that. Let's see if it picks it up. Oh, got the number. No good. Okay. But the scan card works, so that is great as well. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Bye bye.